Hey, what's up guys? I know I'm a bit late. I was doing some stuff, but I guess you have already seen on social media, or those guys who joined early in the group, that today's secret word is airdrop. So this is today's secret word, and I guess by now you also know how to work with these Morse codes. Okay, so we lay it out like this: air, then drop. As always, you look for A, which is this, a tap and a long press. Then you look for I, which is two taps. Then you look for R, which is a tap, long press, a tap, long press, a tap. Then you look for D, long press. Then you tap 2 times, so that's a D. Then R again, as you can see here, a tap, long press, a tap. Then you look for O. O is 3 taps, that is O, 3 taps, so it will be 1, 2, 3. Then you look for P, a tap, long press, a tap. So there are 2 long presses, so a tap, long press, a tap. So that's the Morse code for today. I'm going to pull out my phone and yeah, we do it together. So we pull up my friend's phone here and we solve the code. So I'm going to tap 3 times on unper tap till this button turns red. Now let us follow the pattern. So we start with A. I think by now you already know what to do, so I'm just going to do it. And that's today's word, airdrop. Lastly, click on take the prize. That's it. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.